everybody, welcome back to another amazing episode with Chilling with Toya. Yes, I know you guys probably saying, where is Toya? Where did she go? Well guys, I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos in the last 3 weeks, but I'll make sure today I show you how to make this amazing passion juice. I do post daily, which is some daily 60 seconds video on YouTube Shorts. So make sure you check out this link to your right to see all my daily posts so you can be updated with everything that I'm doing and the things that I will be posting in a long video. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make passion juice. As you know, passion juice it's incredible. The benefits are endless. Now a lot of people do make passion juice in many different ways, but this is how I make my passion juice. I will be using the ingredients that you're seeing here on my screen: some passion, some ginger, some turmeric, and lemon. Now, as you know, passion is full of vitamin C, vitamin A. It is amazing. It boosts your immune system, and it's definitely a juice that you will love. And not to mention the ginger and the turmeric that's in there. It's a natural immune booster ingredient. So make sure that you tune into this video and you go ahead and get all these ingredients to make sure that you'll be making this immune booster passion juice. Excellent source of vitamin C, I must say. So let's jump right into the video. First, you make sure you wash all your ginger and your turmeric very thoroughly so you can get all the dirt and everything off it. And then all you have to do now is just get your passion ready, and just as you see in the video,